Good morning. Welcome to Plenary 2 on engaging and empowering people and communities to become equal partners in care. I'm Nick Goodwin, I'm CEO of the Foundation, and my co-chair is Joaquin Fuente. Joaquin, introduce yourself.
Sure. Buenos días.
Good morning.
I'm going to speak in Spanish because one of the speakers is going to speak in Spanish. So if you don't have your translation system, rush and get them. Welcome.
Okay, thank you. So this is a very important topic for the Foundation, and we're very keen to ensure that issues of empowerment, engagement of individuals and communities is very much at the heart of our understanding of what integrated care means. For me, our care systems today are way too paternalistic. Citizens are somehow socially engineered into passivity, and we need to change this because we know that engagement and empowerment of people is crucial, whether that's related to health literacy and behaviours or supporting people to self-care, to become more independent, whether it is about making choices through shared decision-making and care planning, or their representation and influence within the care system by having their voice represented at a policy and also a practical level. So it's much more than just a mindset where we seek to reorient services around the needs of people. It's much more than that. It's a way of operating that enables co-production in a way that delivers meaningful change. So we have two really esteemed speakers. We're very lucky this morning. We had a very lovely and interesting dinner last night. We have Sir Michael Marmot, Professor of Epidemiology at University College London and Director of the UCL Institute for Health Equity. He chairs the Committee on Equity and Health Inequalities in the Americas with the WHO and PAHO, and we will all know him. We also have Dr. Maria Ángeles Duran, who's Professor of Sociology. She has many international roles, different universities worldwide, including being a member of the European Academy of Science and Arts. She has also been the recipient of not one, but two National Research Awards in the fields of sociology and economics, and is the author of a new book, The Invisible Wealth of Care, which will be the title of her presentation. This proposes a framework of economic analysis, often looking at those hidden, non-monetized resources that we often take for granted within our care systems, such as the role of informal carers, which we know contribute immensely to our ability of our health systems, care systems to function effectively. So that's in a way of an introduction, but before you bring you up, Joaquin, you're going to be timekeeper. You come and tell us the logistics.
Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Just let me say that all of you listening to us in the Basque language, choose channel 1, Spanish channel number 2, and English channel number 3. And for those of you who can understand 1, 2, 3, you just go to 0 and you will just hear us from the PA. And that's the award for those who speak 3 languages. We'll try and give every speaker 30 minutes. That's the time you've been allotted for your presentation. Then some 9-10 minutes for questions. And so to make sure that questions reach the speakers, I kindly remind you to use a microphone, because we will have ladies and gentlemen moving around, taking the microphone to the stairs. So the translators up in the booth will hear your questions. Without a microphone, no translation. By the way, you can also use, for the questions, you can use the Slido system that was shared yesterday. I think that's all for today, for now.
Without further ado, I'd like to ask Sir Michael to come and take the stand for his presentation. Thank you.